kind of tool are you? Seriously, what kind of tool are you? Do you have keen attention to detail, or do you like to get the job done? In this episode, we're going to cover all the tools as it relates to your personality, like to find out what kind of tool you are based on your personality. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. In this episode, we're going to take a little break from products and projects and focus on something goofy, like what kind of tool you are. Let's dive in. The hammer. The hammer is the driving foundational force in any group or project. You're great at setting things in place. You're great at solid structures. And even when it comes time to get things undone, you're there. The reciprocating saw is the change agent. It's the problem remover. It's focused more on destruction and demolition than construction. So what tool are you? Drop your answer and the reason in the comments below. The wood file smooths out the rough edges, tries to polish things up and fix it and make it as good as it can be. You're more detail-oriented, but with a personal touch. You're patient, and you know big improvements can come with small strokes. Then you have the pneumatic nail gun. Your focus is more on speed than accuracy. You want to get the job done as quickly as possible. You excel at getting a high volume of work done fast. You're the engine of efficiency. When a project needs to be completed in a tight deadline, they call you. Are you channel lock pliers? Are you the adaptive mediator? Incredibly versatile and adaptable. You're a fantastic negotiator and mediator. You can adjust on the fly to handle any situation. And you're the ultimate steady hand. You may be the 15-in-1 painter's tool. If your friends call you because you can clean, solve, or fix anything, you might be this tool. You do many things well enough to be essential for almost any project. You're the person who comes in at the last minute to save the day with a clever trick or a prepared mind. Jack of all trades, but master of none. Maybe you're measuring tape. You're the planner, the pre-thinker with exacting measurement. But you're also a realist. You're going to be able to identify in advance whether the job's going to be able to get done or not. You prevent big mistakes by making sure everybody measures twice and cuts once. You're the voice of preparation. Maybe you're the paintbrush. You have more focus on the finished product than what it takes to go in the process. You're the finisher. You put the polish on the whole presentation. You're all about presentation, aesthetics, and practice, and how that presentation is going to go over. You're creative with your mind focused on the finished product, and you're able to think outside the box in order to get there. Maybe you're the high-precision digital caliper. You're focused with keen attention to detail and precise measurement. You might be the numbers person on the team. You're the one who focuses on tiny measurements and strives for absolute accuracy and isn't satisfied until everything is measured perfectly. You value precision above all else. Maybe you're 600 grit sandpaper. Because you bring out the best in others, you want to see the finished product as pretty as it can be. And so you will polish and shine even other members of the team, taking a back seat to the glory. You're patient, empathetic, and always looking to improve the situation. Maybe the Torx T30 screwdriver handle. You do one thing, but you do it well. You know what you were designed for, and you strive to do it in every situation. Highly efficient in a specific role. And when that particular task comes up, you're there. You're specialized, efficient in one regard, and when that product or that project comes up, everyone knows who to pick. You're that person. Maybe you're the wood clamp. You're the person who brings the whole team or whole family together as a cohesive unit until everything sets up or until that project is finished. Maybe you're the dust collector, the one who likes to keep things nice and neat. The cleanup guy, if you will, likes to keep things moving along in a safe manner. You take on the byproducts and the mess, the essential things that no one wants to do so that things can keep moving along. You don't take the spotlight, but you are an essential supporter. So which tool are you? Drop them in the comments below. And also, let's have some fun with this. Identify someone in your family or on your team and put them in the comments below. Pass this on to others and see if they agree with you. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.